Hi guys. Hi guys. Today we'll discuss about IRFC stock. You know that the stock is a railway stock, and it's a really can become a multi-bagger in few years because it is a government company. And you know that Indian Railway Finance Corporation is partially owned subsidiary of the Indian Railways. It raises financial resources for expansion and running through capital markets and other borrowings. The primary objective of the IRFC is to meet the predominant portion of extra budgetary resources requirement of the Indian Railways through market borrowing at most competitive rates and terms. The company principal business therefore is to borrow funds from the financial markets to finance the acquisition and creation of assets which are taken leased out to Indian Railways. And you know that IRFC cumulative funding to rail sector has crossed 1.8 lakh crores as of March 31st, 2017, and is all set to cross 2.20 lakh crore by the end of the March 2018. And the funds are utilized for acquiring rolling stock assets and also building up infrastructure, constituting significant part of annual capital expenditure on Indian Railways. So far, it has funded acquisition of almost 8,998 locomotives and 4,000 47,910 passenger coaches, and almost 2 lakh 14,456 wagons, which constitute around 70% of the total stock fleet of Indian Railways. And IRFC has also been lending to various entities in railway sector like Rail Vikas Nigam Limited, Railtel, Konkan Railway Corporation Limited, Pipav Railway Corporation Limited, and IRFC to raise up to 3000 crores via 10-year bond NCD. These are one of the latest news where it has been raising 3000 crores like through NCD. 10-year NCD is a bond, government bonds. Okay, and if you speak about uh, like technical analysis, we can see that the stock has been almost a peak touched almost at 26 rupees 50 paisa, but from on 26 February 2021 it has touched 26 rupees 41, and it has a strong resistance there. From that point onwards it has been fallen to almost 20 rupees 80 paisa. So it has been range bound, and it went up until here almost at 25.60. Then it's been almost in range bound. So it is a really financial company regarding railways, and it's really a great company I believe, because it is a government related company, subsidiary company. So there is a strong future we can able to see, and it helps the to create assets for the railways, and create a and it is a pipeline where it pumps the money into the Indian Railways so that they can able to do better business, and they can able to earn profits and create assets, and these assets can be leased out to the railways so that they can able to be profitable. So over the long term, if you invest for in this stock like almost in for 5 to 10 years, then you can able to get a great returns. There is a strong possibility is there. but you have to be a lot of patience in this stock, because the momentum the stock is very slow, the volatility is very low. That is also good news, because it's not falling below almost 20.50, and it's been almost in range bound. And we can able to see that the stock has been moving in a downtrend over the past couple of days. From 25.60 it has been fallen to almost 22.80. Once again it's picking up, so there is a always in range bound this stock has been seen. If you observe the share capital of the company, it's really good. What the company has invested almost 13,000 crores, it has increased. So that is also good news for the company. And you can able to see that the over the past 5 years the stock, the reserves and surplus has been increased. So that is a really good sign for the company, but it's not becoming a bankrupt, because if you see 5483 crores, and it is went up to 7015, 19, 22, 22,000 crores, it has been increased, the reserves has been increased. So if the reserves are increased, if the company becomes any problematic and any type of issue, fund issues raises, there is no issue, such type of issues will be raised, because it has enough funds. So and if you see that the almost the current liabilities has been declined. If you see in 2018 it's been almost 25,000 crores, now it's been 17,618. So they are reducing the cost. And if you observe the current assets, that's really good, what I believe. If you observe that in March 2017 it's almost 11,000 crores, but the current has assets has been improved to 3,70,213 crores. That is a really good sign which can be seen in the stock. And if you observe the EPS, earning per share, that it's been like growing exponentially, you can able to see. Like in March in sorry in 2017 it's been almost 1.43, and in 2018 it's been 3.08, 2019 3.43, and in 2021 it's almost moved to 3.66. That is a really good sign that it's been improving, and it can be really beneficial to the investors. If you observe the management of the company, we can able to see that this Shri Amitabh Banerjee, he took over charge as a chairman and managing director of IRFC board. So that's really good that it's been appointed as a managing director, and he is not a such a person. Like you see, he is an IRS cadre of 1988 civil service exam batch. So that is really good sign that he is an IAS officer, and he is in masters in commerce and fellow member of Institute of Cost Accounts of India, and he's a rank holder of 13th position of all India merit list. So the he's a really talented guy, and I believe that his leadership qualities can improve the company, and it can be a profitable to the company. And if you see profit and loss of the company, we can uh, say that the company is in really in profit. So if you in 2017 you can able to see that it has a profit of 933 crores, and in 2018 it's almost 2007, and in 2019 you can able to see its jump of almost 200 crores, it's 2254 crores. Now in 2020 you can able to see that it's almost 3692 crores, and in 2021 it's 4416. So you can able to trust this company, because it's a government related company, and the management is really good. You can able to see that he's the one of the civil servant, and you have seen the track record of the person. So there is a possibility that it can be a multi-bagger over the past few years. And if you observe that return on equity, we can able to see that we the return on equity has been almost fluctuating. Like in 2017 the return of equity is 7.7, and it has rose to 14. the once again it has been declined to 9, and it went up to 11.92, and now in 2021 it's almost 12.29. So there is a lot of fluctuation which can be seen in the return on equity. And if you if you observe the revenue or sales of the company, we can able to say that it's exponentially it's been increasing year by year. Like in 2017 it's almost 9046 crores, in 2018 11,018 crores, and in 2019 it's almost triple one double three, almost 11,133 crores. And you in 2020 you can able to see 13,000. And in you see you can able to see in the 2021 it's almost 15,000 crores. From 9,000 to it has jumped to 15,000 crores in just 5 years. That's really a tremendous and really good performance the company has shown in the sales or sales regarding. And you can able to see that there is a strong hope we can able to create in our mind that the company can perform well in the future times. And if you observe the shareholding pattern of the company, we can able to see that it does not have any type of pledge shares. That is a really good sign for the company. And volatility is very low. That is also one of the best sign. And you can able to see that the holding percentage of the promoter is like almost we can able to see that it's 86.36 percentage. That's a really good sign, because the promoter holding is really good. And we can able to see that FIS holding is almost 0.86 percentage, and DIS percentage is very less, related to almost 1 percentage. And in public holding is almost 9 percentage. So public holding is very less. But I don't know the people or unknown about the stock, but it's really fantastic and fabulous stock what I believe. And it can perform best performance in future times. And you know that the people are not showing any type of interest in the stock. Maybe and maybe the data is very low over the past 5 years, because uh, then maybe it can become a multi-bagger if you hold for long term. And there is I just always believe that company, the stock is railways, and it's a strong running business. There is no fall, because there is a always the people will do lot of traveling through trains. And the income generated is always not cyclical. And it always rises, like earning potential is very high, we can able to see in the stock. And if you want to take any type of position, you can able to consult your financial advisor and take a decision. And you can able to get a great profits in this company, what I believe. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe this channel and support my channel, so that I can able to create a best videos for you. Thank you.